Good morning, teacher and partners. This is my presentation. Oral presentation English level 2. 1. Introduce myself. 2. Talk about my trip experience in Santa Marta. 3. The weather in Santa Marta. 4. Recommendation if you go to Santa Marta. This is my name is Milton Andres Paez. I live in Neiva. I am merchant. This is my wife and my daughter. I also like to cook. My trip experience in Santa Marta. Stage 1 tips to go to Santa Marta. When traveling to Santa Marta, you should do the following. You should look for a hotel by the sea. You must enjoy the beaches of Rodadero. You should also visit White Beach. You should go to see the dolphin aquarium. You must also meet Buritaca. You must try the different sea fish. You should visit the port and Santa Marta. I also recommend that you should dance by the sea. Stage 2. The weather in Santa Marta. The climate of Santa Marta is hot, but the sea wind is delicious. After having reached the Atlantic coast, you should go with willingness to have a good time. You should not neglect your suitcase is a bit insecure. You should relax and know people a little. Stage 3. What you should do? When you get to Santa Marta, you have to find a hotel and a good restaurant and apply a lot of sunscreen. What you should not do? You should not forget to take your documents and do not take too much sun. Thank you. Bye.